Hello and welcome to BOZWANG. Today we are introducing the BZW-9B Ultrasonic Terminal Welding Machine, a specialized solution for cable-to-terminal connections. The ultrasonic system is equipped with imported acoustic components, delivering stable and consistent performance. For operator safety, the BZW-9B features a safety light curtain with emergency stop and a photoelectric start switch. The HMI comes with an industrial PC, can be integrated with client's MES systems. Welding recipes can be stored and switched quickly, allowing flexible production for different terminal types. The BZW-9B handles terminals from 1 to 3 mm in thickness and supports a welding range of 2 to 25 square millimeters for both copper and aluminum wires. With dedicated positioning fixtures, it adapts to various terminals with high precision. The ultrasonic process creates strong and stable welds with no gaps or voids, reducing the risk of overheating and enhancing overall product safety.